What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be talking about numbers in Python. Now, if you've been enjoying this series, please consider subscribing. It does help me out a lot, and of course you'll benefit from these videos as well. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Computers can understand much more than just strings of text. Python has a few numeric data types. It has multiple ways of storing numbers, which one you use depends on your intended purpose for the number you are saving. An integer or int is a whole number. It has no decimal point and contains all counting numbers. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's just whole numbers. And I'll actually comment it here. So int is actually whole numbers. Then let's see here. A floating point is a decimal number. Floating points, decimal numbers. And then, or a float, so we'll do slash float, same thing, is a decimal number. So it can be used to represent fractional quantities as well as precise measurements. If you were measuring the length of your bedroom wall, calculating the average test score of a 7th grade class, or storing a baseball player's batting average for the 1998 season, you would likely use a float. So let's go ahead and run it here. So numbers can be assigned to variables or used literally in a program. So for example, we can do int plus another int, and we get 5. Above, we defined an integer and a float. We printed out the sum of the int with the number 3, and we call the number 3 as a literal, meaning it's literally actually a number 3 and not a variable with the number 3 assigned to it. Floating numbers can behave in some unexpected ways due to how computers store them, and we have a whole Python documentation if you're interested in that. But a recent movie-going experience has you excited to publish a review. You rush out of the cinema and hastily begin programming to create your movie review website. The big screen's greatest scenes decided by a machine. Create the variables and assign the integer numbers to them. Release here and runtime. Okay, so we'll do release year equals 1990, and then we'll do runtime, so 104.5. It's not of type int. Okay, so they basically need both of them to be int. Okay, there you go. And then now create a rating 1 of 10 out of 10 that assigns a float number between 1 and 10. Okay, let's do rating out of 10, and we'll do 7.6. How about that? And there you go. So again, integers are just whole numbers, floating point or floats are decimal numbers. That's straight up how easy it is, and Python really makes it easier for us. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.